Hello and welcome. My name is Eric and I'm the creator of this course. Become an Excel power user in 2.5 hours, where you'll learn how to analyze data, build models and write formulas much more quickly and efficiently than the average person. You might be wondering what qualifies me to teach this course. Well, in 2012 I mastered Excel in under 3 weeks, and I'll be teaching you the same methods that I used. Since then, my Excel skills have helped me land corporate finance roles at companies like Hewlett-Packard, Merrill Lynch, and most recently, a competitive Silicon Valley-based startup called ID Tech. So what are we going to learn? In this course, you'll master the core skills needed to become an advanced Excel user in business. In the 100% example-based curriculum, I'll take you A to Z through the techniques used to answer questions, analyze data, and build models. On top of the content, my secondary focus throughout the course will be to make you very fast in Excel. Lastly, I'll assume that you have no experience, and I'll teach each concept step by step from the very beginning. What will you get in this course? You'll get 27 lectures totaling 2.5 hours of HD video, along with 7 quizzes. You'll also get an exercise file in the first lecture that contains all of the course content so that you can practice each concept as we learn. And finally, you'll have access to me and the discussion boards. If you post a question, I'll get right back to you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the course and become Excel power users together. I look forward to seeing you inside.